Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA Minute function in Excel 2013. In order to be able to create this minute function, we need to use the actual date and time and extract the minute of the current date and time from that using a VBA code. To do this, first of all, we need to record a macro. So within the View tab and within the macro section of the View tab, select record. And then in the macro name section, enter the name for your macro. I'm going to enter minute fx function, and then I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to stop recording. Then I'm going to go back to the View tab, and under the macro section, I'm going to click on the drop down, click on View Macros, and then edit my macro. Then within this section here with the comments, I'm going to delete the comment stuff, and I'm going to paste my code in. And then I'm going to get rid of end sub there because that's a duplicate. I'm going to get rid of sub minute there because I've already got a title. And there's my code. So I always start with on error resume next. Every line of code I write, I tend to write on error resume next before that line of code. So it just helps to override errors. There are not because there's any fault in the code, but because for instance, with an input box, a value hasn't been entered, and you click on OK, and if you haven't got some sort of on error resume next error handling function, it tends to come up with an error because of a blank value. But anyway, this is my code. As you can see here, you've got active cell.formula R1C1, which means insert the formula here wherever your cell's selected, and then equals after that, and then you enter your formula. So my formula there is saying extract the minute from the current date and time, and a now function basically extracts the current date and time. So if I go back here and click on close, and then in the View tab again, if I go to the macro section and then click on macros and click on run, I can see that's the 53rd minute of the day, of the current hour of the day, extracted there. And that's the Excel VBA minute function in Excel 2013.